Hello students, I am Khotsre sir from Guruvarya Dadoji Kondadev Sainik School Tasgaon. Today we are going to learn about adverbs from spotting errors which will be useful for the students who are trying for UPSC written exam of subject English. So let's learn about adverbs. Adverbs are words that add information about the verb. वर्ब के बारे में ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है वो वर्ड है एडवर्ब. सो लेट्स सी द रूल्स. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर, प्लेस एंड टाइम. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर, प्लेस एंड टाइम आर यूजुअली प्लेस्ड आफ्टर द वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही वॉज रनिंग स्लोली. द वर्ड स्लोली विच इज एडवर्ब इज यूज्ड आफ्टर द वर्ब running. So these are placed after verb or after object. Rina does her work carefully. So carefully is used afterwards. I met him yesterday. Here the word yesterday indicates time, and it is used after him, means after object. So these words means adverbs of manner, place and time are usually placed after the verb or object. They followed Rachna everywhere. So the word everywhere, which is adverb, indicates place and is used after Rachna, means after object. Second, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency like never, often, usually, always, rarely, and other adverbs like already, almost, just, quite, nearly, hardly are normally put between subject and verb. Let's see the example. And if there is more than one word in the verb, they are put after first word. He often goes to Delhi. So the word often, which indicates frequency, used in between he and goes, means in between subject and verb. So these adverbs which indicate frequency used in between subject and verb. I quite agree with you. So the word quite, which indicate frequency, used in between I and agree, means in between subject and verb. Then adverbs of manner, place and time, which we have seen already. And now just we have seen adverbs of frequency, which are used in between subject and verb. But if the verb is am, is and are, the adverb is placed after the verb. For example, I am never late for school. So just we have seen if the adverbs of frequency is there, they are placed in between subject and verb. But if the verb is am, is or are, it is placed after the verb. I am never late for school. इधर हमें ऐसा नहीं लिखना चाहिए कि I never am late for school. It should be placed after the verb. The adverb enough is placed after the adjective. She is cunning enough to tackle him. जनरली कैसा होता है, एडवर्ब के बाद एडजेक्टिव यूज़ किया जाता है, लेकिन इनफ के बारे में थोड़ा सा अलग है. इधर एडजेक्टिव के बाद एडवर्ब आता है, इनफ आता है. सो वी शुड नॉट से लाइक दिस, शी इज़ इनफ कनिंग टू टैकल हिम. That will be a wrong sentence. So The correct sentence would be like this: she is cunning enough to tackle him. Ever is sometimes incorrectly used for never. He seldom or ever tells a lie. It's a wrong sentence. The correct sentence would be like this: he seldom or never tells a lie. Some adverbs are there of negative meaning. Adverbs should not be used with words having negative meaning. For example, the teacher forbade me not to go. Here we have used not, the word not. It is the wrong one. In place of that we should say the teacher forbade me to go. The word forbade itself indicates negation, so we should not use the word not separately. The adverb only. The word only should be placed immediately before the word it modifies. For example, Hari answered only 2 questions. The word only is used, so 2 questions before 2 only is used. Have to and used to. The auxiliaries have to and used to come after the adverb. He often used to go to cinema. See here often is adverb. often adverb है और उसके बाद used to आया है. मीन्स have to and used to जब हम ये auxiliary verbs यूज़ करते हैं तो adverb के बाद यूज़ करना चाहिए. Here often के बाद used to आया है. Thank you. In this way we have finished this topic.